Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. Hey everyone, so today.
By the way, if I'm looking kind of past the camera, it's because I have like a mirror here to make sure that my camera is still recording.
I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna whistle all the while. If that's what it takes to make me smile, I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up this hill, summer sky or winter chill. If I gotta take a break, I will, but I'm gonna run right up this hill. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans.
When you said you were going to give me a new home, you did.
Don't try it. I'm warning you that I won't buy it.
What do you see yourself doing 5 years from now? I want to see YouTube.
I remember before I even started my channel, I would actually make videos, but I was too nervous to upload them anywhere. But I remember when I finally started posting on YouTube, I really wasn't getting any views, but it just didn't matter to me how many people were watching. I woke up every day excited to create something and share what I enjoyed, and I still have that same excitement and joy that I had when I first started my channel. It has never faltered. Like, this truly is like my calling in life. I'm 23 years old and I've been doing this for 10 years, so for a huge chunk of my life, I've been pursuing YouTube. And I remember when I was 13 and I was really nervous to post my first video. And sometimes I think about younger Mia from like a different perspective, almost as if it's not me. Almost as if I'm like the parent of younger Mia, I don't even know. But I remember how nervous I was, because you really do open yourself up to a lot of judgment and criticism when you post online. And I'm proud that younger me took that leap, because it turned into something so beautiful.
If you like my videos, please subscribe because it would mean so much to me, and thank you so much for watching.
It just seems like yesterday that Mia came to her dad and I. She was only 12 years old and she was asking us if she could start a YouTube channel. And to us it was a really big deal because of her age, and YouTube hadn't really been around that long. We had to learn it as we went, basically.
Mia was making videos running around with a camcorder before she started YouTube. It was clear that she had a passion for sharing stories and having a positive impact on people, because it was always funny or uplifting. Never ever dreamt that it would go to where it's gone.
She would basically make any area of the house a filming set. So whether it be like on the top bunk of bunk beds in the house and draping a sheet around to make a backdrop, to filming even in a paddling pool. And then even when she would put on new clothes that she was trying out, we had to walk around the neighborhood and find the perfect spot to film these outfits.
Mia would be all dressed up in an outfit, and she would go out and she would freeze on the side of the road, and she would be so careful that other cars weren't coming or that anyone couldn't see her. She'd get so mad when cars would be coming or people would be around. It was so cute. Those days were awesome.
Don't give me weird looks.
I also remember we would set up like blankets and stuff in the backyard to shield the wind. I remember in particular one time when we had a blanket that kept falling down. We had it strung to a tree and she was nestled in there and trying to make it look all outdoorsy, and it was so funny.
And always, our house was loud. We had a very loud house, and we wouldn't skip a beat when Mia was filming. There'd be total action going on in the rest of the house. So in lots of those early videos, you can hear clanging and people yelling in the background. And I think that's really fun too. Shh. Shh, 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 shh.
And I'll just smudge that on my hand. On my arm, I mean.
What? No!
Can you be a little bit quieter? No, it's okay.
Special memories too, hitting 500 subs, hitting 100 subs.
This is just showing you guys that I'm thankful that I reached 100 subscribers. I was actually like really excited. I like ran around screaming, singing a random song when I got 100 subscribers. It's a big deal to me, and I'm not trying to brag. I'm just very excited.
Wow, like 100 people want to watch our daughter make videos? Like, wow, that's pretty crazy. From where? From places like other continents? Like, my goodness, like it was so hard to get our heads around initially. And then I remember big day was the 1,000,000 subs. We were so shocked. We had a big supper. We were all just kind of blown away. It felt like such a big time for Mia and for her efforts.
Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created.
If you've been watching for a while, you probably found me from a fashion video, because that's definitely where I found my footing. Kind of just fell into it, but it was a lot of fun. I felt a lot of purpose in the reviewing clothing space because I sort of had a motto like, I'll risk my credit card information so that your credit card information doesn't get stolen. And I truly saw those haul videos as I wanted to be informative. Like, I didn't want you to waste your money. Like, let me waste mine so you don't have to. Obviously, it deviated slightly at times.
But wait!
How low can I go?
Oh my gosh, what does this look like right now?
You didn't expect me to develop so quickly in the chest now, did you?
I am being like choked right now.
This is insane! Like, are you guys seeing this? Oh my gosh. This jacket is so extra.
I don't ever quite know what all the deliveries are that are coming to the house. And I'm sure the courier dropping things off all the time is really wondering about us. That's kind of funny too, the constant steady stream of things coming in and just wondering what is in all those parcels. Probably one of the most memorable moments and favorite videos that I have is the one where Mia renovates her grandparents' house. It turned out so good, and they were truly moved by the big surprise at the end. They had no idea, and it was just amazing to be a part of that. All the planning that she did, all the ordering supplies, and even just the physical work that had to be done on the house.
We were at it 10, 12 hours a day the whole time we were there, or longer. Yeah, just worked. We just worked and worked and worked.
I have no idea how she pulled it off.
You both had heart attacks.
I would never have dreamed of this. You spent way too much money.
You're worth it, Grandma.
No,
You deserve
I'm
it.
not worth this.
Yes,
no.
you are.
Keep your headphones off you.
Thank you so much. I love you too.
I've been asked to say a favorite video. Oh my gosh, like I have a few. The Sprinter video was crazy. Mia made me do things the whole way through that never would have tipped that that was going to end up being mine. Then that day when Mia had created the sales scenario, I was like kind of nervous to have people coming to look at it, but at the same time excited to see what people thought. And she got that call, she handed me a piece of paper to read, which I mean, in the moment I was like, what? I remember my brain kind of clicking and going, what the heck? Why would I be reading this? And then it all just kind of happened at once. And she gave me the van, and that was shocking and amazing. And yeah, that was a great video.
It's for you, little dad!
No way!
It's yours!
What about the people coming?
They're
All
made up.
fake?
I didn't even post an ad.
Oh my gosh, that is so unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just can't even believe this. This is so crazy.
Probably my most favorite video of hers though is the school morning routine for 2013 video. I love that video because it tells of the story of her as a little girl, and the song she put with the video just describes her perfectly. Talks about a little girl with great big plans. It's so positive and upbeat, and it really shows her zest for life. Yeah, it just melts me, that video.
If I think too much when I'm watching that video, it will definitely create a tear coming down my cheek. I just love that video.
Out of all those views, a lot of those are probably me watching it just because it gets me every time. Right through till the end with our little dog, following her as she skips down the hallway, and then she is going out the door with our little dog, and then she blows a great big kiss. That is just her personality in that video, and it just shines through for me. So that video just is a real standout in my mind.
The bubble video, I honestly never liked that video. That hot bubble. Anyway, I won't go into that. Mia's career, it's been a gift without question. It's been a gift for her. It's been a gift for her family. And I really sincerely believe and hope that it's a gift to her subscribers to come along in this journey with her and enjoy her efforts and her genuineness.
There's never a dull moment. We've had so much fun together, and we've had a lot of laughs. We love to laugh together.
Oh my gosh, this is outrageous.
Seeing her work hard at something she enjoys and that truly started out as her hobby into something she does daily has been truly inspiring. And I feel very fortunate to have a front row seat. She amazes me, and I'm very proud to be her mom and Mama Maples.
I believe the sky's the limit for Mia Maples, and I look forward to the future, and I thank you for your time. Mia, I'm done, but I don't know how to shut it off.
How was it?
Oh, it was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had a great time.
Is it your calling?
I enjoyed it.
I don't want to sound cliche, but truly there is nothing that special about me. I'm just a girl from a small town in Canada doing something that I love and being lucky enough to be able to do it for a living. It's something that I'll always cherish, and I cherish every single one of you for watching and enjoying this content. This community is everything to me. I share all of my hobbies, all of my passions in one place, and can be able to talk to people who have similar interests and think the things that I thought people might think were weird, you guys really like too. It's just been such a beautiful space, and I feel like so blessed and so lucky to be a part of it. Every time I film, I truly feel like I'm sitting down and chatting with my friends. Even if we never meet in real life, I feel like we have a friendship. So that is really valuable to me. I feel so blessed to be a part of this community. You guys are the kindest, most thoughtful humans I've ever been blessed to know. I want to make you proud to be a viewer and proud to be my friend. And I really want to turn this incredible gift into joy from my home to yours. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you all so much, and you complete me. And here's to another amazing 10 years.